Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're embarking on an exciting journey to revolutionize your Android device's audio capabilities. If you've been craving that rich, immersive sound experience found on Samsung's Galaxy A53 5G, you're in the right place. We're talking about installing the incredible Sound Alive and Sound Assistant Samsung Galaxy A53 5G Magisk Module on any rooted Android phone. Get ready to elevate your music, videos, and calls to a whole new level. Before we dive into the installation process, let's make sure your device is ready. First off, your phone's processor architecture needs to be compatible. We're looking for either ARM 64v8A. Secondly, your Android version must be Android 5 or higher. And finally, and this is absolutely non-negotiable for this module, your device must have either Magisk or Kernel SU installed and fully functional. This is a critical first step for those of you not running a Samsung One UI or TouchWiz-based ROM. If you're on a custom ROM like Lineageo's Pixel Experience or anything similar, you must install the One UI Core Magisk module first. Once the One UI Core module is handled, it's time for the star of the show. You'll now install the main Sound Alive and Sound Assistant module. You have a few easy ways to do this. Simply open your Magisk app, go to the Modules section, tap Install from Storage, and select the downloaded module file. If you're using Kernel SU, the process is similar. Open the app, navigate to Modules, and install the file. Now, this step is important if you're already using any other audio modification modules on your device. To prevent conflicts and ensure maximum compatibility, we highly recommend installing the AML Magisk module. For all our users running Kernel SU, there's one vital setting you need to adjust. Open your Kernel SU app, go into its settings, and make sure to disable Unmount Modules by default. Once you've completed all the relevant steps for your setup, the last thing to do is a simple reboot of your phone. Sound Alive is Samsung's advanced sound equalizer and effects suite, offering a wide array of audio enhancements, including custom EQ settings, surround sound effects, and even instrument-specific tuning. It truly brings your audio to life. And there you have it. After your phone restarts, you should now find the powerful Sound Alive and Sound Assistant features integrated into your device's audio settings. Dive in, experiment with the Equalizer, adjust app volumes independently, and truly personalize your listening experience. If this video helped you unlock premium audio on your Android device, please give it a big thumbs up. Share it with your friends who might benefit. And definitely, subscribe to the channel for more awesome tech tutorials and modding guides. Don't forget to hit that notification bell so you're always updated when we drop a new video. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.